This is Dr. Oguchi's Dental Clinic channel. Thank you for watching our video. Today, we are going to talk about dental implant. Dr. Oguchi, what is a dental implant?
Yeah. A dental implant is an artificial tooth that is placed where the person's real tooth was extracted. Dental implants are permanent fixtures, and a special screw needs to be placed in the bone so the new tooth will stay in place.
Our dental implant is different from other dental implants. Most of our operation of a dental implant do not use the drill. Dr. Oguchi explains why it is.
When I drill a jawbone with a drill, I noticed that a drill was easily in the bone. I doubted the need of the drill. It's because it loses a healthy bone. The bone becomes always thin when you lose a tooth. So I thought that I made a hole with a needle without losing a healthy bone. Then bone on one of the hole increase, and the risks of the accident decrease. I acquired a patent as a way of Oguchi by a method to make a hole and with a needle in the United States. It spread out as a method with a few risks.
Okay, thanks. Finally, we explain about the cost of dental implants. Dr. Oguchi?
Well, the cost of dental implants includes a surgery to prepare the jawbone of the implant and the implant themselves. Dentists prefer to do dental implant in stage because the first phase involves surgically installing a metal post in the jaw where the implants will attach.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Oguchi. That's all for today.
Yeah. Please keep care about your tooth daily. And health is better than wealth.
Thank you for watching our video till the end. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.